Josh here at Jordanbikes in Leeds, and this afternoon we've got this 2019 Kawasaki H2SX. It is fitted with a decap pipe and an acropovic end cam. It is a repeat customer. We mapped his last H2SX, so this is the new model from 2019. So we're going to do the final run now, and then we'll talk through everything that we've achieved. So this morning when we did the base run, we had 184 horsepower, which is the blue line, just running as they usually do, far too lean as they do from the factory. Absolutely horrible throttle. So now with a full ECU remap, we've got 224, so a massive gain of 40 horsepower. That's just how restricted this model is through the ignition. So we've done a full fueling map, we've mapped his ignition, mapped his electronic throttle, and then we've turned a few things off that he didn't want on, and it's given us that massive result. Rides a lot better, accelerates so much more smoother, and should be a million times better. So if you want yours win, please give us a call.